about taking up Taekwondo and want to get a head start? Hi, I'm Peyton. I have a blue belt in Taekwondo. Taekwondo is a modern Korean martial art similar to karate. It builds self-confidence and discipline with lots of action. Today, I will demonstrate 3 basic stance techniques. It's more fun doing it together. Let's start by greeting each other as a sign of respect. Put your arms by your side, legs together, and bow to each other. The first stance is a touch stance. It is a stance you do before bowing. Arms and legs are straight and touch each other. Point your toes forward. The second stance is the ready stance. We do this before the form, which is the order of movement. Be natural, with your legs apart, toes pointed forward, feet and shoulders width apart, elbows slightly bent, fist size about 6 inches away from the navel, and head up. The back stance is the third stance of the form. Let's try it. Point the leading foot forward and the rear foot at a right angle from the front foot. This makes an L shape or 90 degrees because your 2 feet are placed like the letter L. Move your foot 3 spaces forward, bend your knees, and put both knuckles in a fist position in front of you. Today I have shown you 3 stances in Taekwondo. If you like this demonstration, please like my video and subscribe to our channel. Can't wait to see you in a future video. I'm Peyton, let's kick out. See you on the Taekwondo side.